Hi guys, I'm Lorna, this is Orion, and we've got our 8th bump box. So this is our second to last bump box. It's exciting. It's a Bitsy box because it's going to be for him. And let's go ahead and see what we have. Are you going to wiggle or are you going to... Oh.
Oh, look at that poor guy. You poor little thing.
Okay. You want to see what we have? Want to see what we got? Let's see. Teeth. Teeth. I don't think we've started teething yet. He still really only chews on his hands. But he started sticking his tongue out a lot more. And my mom thinks that that is a sign that it could be any day now. So we'll see. We have a couple of these. We got some from some friends. It's a bib with a little rubber teething portion on the end. Like I said, he's not putting much in his mouth besides his hands right now. But when he does start teething, this will be good to have. Daily Concepts. Oh, it's a lavender sponge. Relaxes and aids in sleep. He really likes bath time, so we will definitely use this. Oh, shampoo and body wash. More shampoo and body wash. We got some in one of the last boxes as well. This is... Hi. Yeah. Like I said, he really likes bath time, so we use these sort of things a lot. Baby silicone toothbrush for when those teeth start coming in. And where is it? Let's see. Oh, chewable mom jewelry. Chewable mom jewelry, silicone teething necklace, so I can stay in style and help his teeth. That's cute. Anyway, I don't know what's in store for our last box, but this is a pretty good box. Definitely stuff that we're going to use, especially the bath time stuff. He really, really likes bath time. It's one of his favorites. He loves kicking in the water. We got him one of those floaty things to go around his neck. He's not real sure about it yet, but... he didn't hate it. And anyway, he is 4.5 months old. He's working on standing. He's real good at standing with some help. He's real good at shouting at us when he wants things. He's laughed a few times. We haven't been able to replicate it very often, but it's exciting times, lots of development going on. And if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, share it if you like, and we will see you next time.